Okay class, I'll be giving you an essay assignment. So, your first output class will be, okay class, create a reflection about movie we just watched and submit it tomorrow.
When will you learn if AI is the one who thinks for you?
Laying by the
Mr. Monteprio, such a good answer!
dice,
Okay class, the best output goes to
and someone waiting
Mr. Monteprio.
loses one dear.
Job well done with your reflection, Mr. Monteprio.
With AI, what are you really seeking? Knowledge or validation?
Should I complain? But tell me,
Oh, Marvin, you're really smart.
Such knowledge you have. Jealous.
Wow, Marvin, you're really smart.
Such knowledge you have. I'm jealous.
Can you really call it your knowledge when you just borrowed it from a machine? Your little secret cannot stay quietly hidden, for your obvious performance loudly betrays it.
Mr. Monteprio, come here. What happened to your output? Mr. Monteprio, your assignments and outputs are well written, but your tests are full of errors. Why such a difference?
How will you ever remember the knowledge that is not yours?
I was not able to study, ma'am.
Is that really the reason? Or have you already become AI, the always in need one, unable to stand on your own? You live dependently, you thought dependently, you work dependently, depending on AI.
Alam niyo ba na bawat prompt na tinatype natin sa AI may hidden price tag na hindi natin nakikita? Treat AI as a tool, not as a mirror. But it's not just a digital tool, it has a physical and ethical footprint that we can no longer ignore. Na ang environmental risk. Akala natin ang AI nasa cloud lang, pero ang totoo, it lives in massive data centers. Mga ito ay nangangailangan ng bilyong-bilyong litro ng tubig para lang palamigin ang mga data servers. Every time we use AI to do a simple task that we can do ourselves, we are indirectly contributing to the depletion of our natural resources. Pangalawa, ang issue ng accuracy at integrity. To be honest, AI is a master of hallucinations. Minsan, ang bilis magbigay ng sagot pero mali naman ang info o kaya gawa-gawa lang ang sources. Kapag umasa tayo ng sobra, nawawala ang ating critical thinking. We become passive consumers instead of active learners. Huli, ang plagiarism at ang paggawala ng human voice. Sa pag-copy at paste natin mula sa AI, ninanakaw natin ang pagkakataon na hasain ang sarili nating talino. Plagiarism isn't just about stealing words, it's about losing your integrity. Lawins, ang tunay na talino ay hindi galing sa algorithm, kundi sa proseso ng paghihirap at pag-unawa. Yes, AI is powerful, pero kung hindi tayo magiging ethical at responsable, tayo ang magiging biktima ng sarili nating shortcut. Let's use AI to assist, not to replace our minds and our future.
Hindi na bago sa atin ang paggamit ng internet at gadget sa ating pag-aaral. Taong 2020 at 2022, naging katuwang natin ang ating mga gadgets sa nagdaang pandemya.
Sa pagdating ng artificial intelligence sa ating mga classroom, may panibago tayong hamon kakaharap. dapat natin tutukan ang issue ng cheating.
Kasama na rin ang issue ng plagiarism at pagkawala ng critical thinking skills na dudulot ito ng pagkawala ng ating boses.
Ang pagkalat ng maling impormasyon at ng fake news na dala ng artificial intelligence ay isang kanta ng pagkakaisa ng mga estudyante. Bilang isang ilawin, dapat natin siguraduhin na ang artificial intelligence ay magagamit habang isinaalang-alang ang integridad ng edukasyon.
Gamitin natin ito sa ethical at responsableng pamamaraan, hindi bilang kapalit ng ating utak, kundi bilang isang tool lamang.
Dahil nasa ating palat pa rin ang desisyon, tayo ang master, hindi ang makina. Kaya naman, Lawis, samahan niyo kaming alamin ang tama,
Ethical at
responsableng paggamit ng artificial intelligence. AI should help us not to replace our own thinking. Our own ideas and creativity are what really help us to grow and learn. There's nothing wrong in using AI. It's products of human innovation, but we must use it wisely and not depend on it too much.
As one reminder goes, AI can give you answers, but your ideas can make you wiser. Kami ang BAII
Mula sa bayan para sa bayan, nagpapaalala. Let's all use AI responsibly